Do you want to turn your dull aquarium into a vibrant, thriving ecosystem without spending hours on maintenance? Are you ready to discover the best fast-growing floating aquarium plants that can transform the look of your tank? In this video, we will explore how these plants can revolutionize your aquarium's appearance, explain just how easy they are to maintain, and reveal the top plants you need to get started. But before we dive into the details, have you ever wondered if floating plants are suitable for all types of aquariums? Stick around to find out, because we'll answer this question later in the video. Let me tell you about the first time I added these plants to my tank and witnessed an incredible transformation overnight. When I first heard about fast-growing floating plants, I was skeptical, but after introducing them to my tank, I was amazed at how quickly they flourished. The water became clearer and my fish seemed more active and healthier. Here's how I managed to maintain a vibrant aquarium with minimal effort, thanks to these floating plants. Caring for floating plants was surprisingly easy. Unlike rooted plants, they don't require complex planting or special substrates. I simply placed them on the water's surface and they took care of themselves. Let me introduce you to the top 3 floating plants that can transform your tank in no time. Choosing the right plants can be overwhelming, but I found a few gems that stood out. Plants like the Amazon frogbit and water lettuce not only grew quickly, but also added a unique aesthetic to my tank. Remember the question about whether floating plants are suitable for all types of aquariums? Yes, they are. Whether you have a small betta tank or a large community tank, floating plants can thrive in any setup. Remember, your comments can help fellow aquarists around the world. Let's build a community where we share knowledge, inspire each other, and create stunning underwater worlds together. Comment below, and let's make this journey unforgettable.